Okay, y'all, I'm back with another video, and y'all know I'm gonna show y'all how I made this super cute birthday outfit for my daughter. She loved it, so let's get right into it. She wanted like a Lilo and Stitch, but it's like this thing called Angel that I had never seen. So I thought this pink one was Angel, but y'all, it's just a pink Stitch. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just go with it. I had ordered these iron-ons off of Etsy. Normally I would use like a heat press machine and I would just create my own design and print it off. But y'all, I have to get a DTF printer because the quality is so much better. Like, you don't have that paper backing, and it's more vibrant. Like, the color is more vibrant. So I just, figure out what I like best, and then I heat press that on. You guys can also iron it on as well, but I just heat pressed it because it was easier for me. And with the skirt, I ordered this black denim skirt from Amazon, but it was too tight for her, y'all. And I was going to add the silver in the inside and just like make it really cute and different, but the black skirt was just too small, so I just went with the silver, which was a little bit too big for her. So I just took it in on both sides about a ½ inch. And at the bottom, it was a little wide. So once I took it in on the sides, I just took it in at the bottom a little bit more, like an inch, which you guys will see soon. But with this bottom part that I cut out, I wanted to give it like kind of a pleated look to make the skirt look a little bit more better. And I couldn't get it as pleated as I wanted to because the skirt is kind of like a thick leather material. It's not real thick, but it's a little thick. So as y'all can see, when you add pleats, your fabric gets shorter. So that's why you have to like double your length when you are pleating different items. You may have to triple it depending on what it is. So y'all see how like small that is, and I knew that was gonna happen. I knew I was gonna have to add some more fabric or just take the skirt in a little bit more at the bottom, like for my daughter to have like the real fitted skirts at the bottom. So that's why I did that, and then I just started to sew on the little pleated parts of the skirt, and look how cute that is. Like, my baby is 8. That was perfect. And y'all see how much space I have left where I wasn't able to bring the pleats around. So I just got some more fabric that I had, like this pink sequence fabric that I had left over. It was a little thick, so I couldn't double the fabric, so I had to like cut it in half, and I just did some light pleats. Like, I didn't do too much. Certain fabrics you can't do too much pleating with, so I just added that to the open space, and then I just sewed it down on each side to the silver pieces, so that way it can kind of blend better. And then once I tried it on her, I cut the bottom to make it more even, so that way it'll just look like it's one piece and it'll still go together. So it was like a little pop of color in the back that I really like. I wish I would have added one to the front, y'all, but it was like so last minute. I was rushing because I had made her this super cute like blue dress that I had to drape, but y'all, that's a whole nother story. So when I got to the skirt, of course y'all see how the material is. So I took my iron on and I put it on like this satin fabric, and I just cut it out. When you are putting it on your satin fabric, make sure that you use the shiny side. I didn't use it this time, but it's easier to put the picture on the satin side. And I have like my fabric glue, and I just glued it to the bottom of the skirt, and this is the finished look, y'all. The pop of color was everything. I loved it. It was so cute. And I had her like these silver low top dunks to go with it. It was hot outside, but I had to do like the blue and white socks. I just feel like it gave it like a better look versus just having the dunks. And I did do my baby hair too, okay? I can braid, do quick weaves, wigs, all of that. I do not be playing, but yeah, she came out so cute, y'all. I love it. Tell me what you guys think about it, and if you do decide to try this idea, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Mwah.